Well, as luck would have it, the VTS boot, which is right there, which was in perfect shape. Well, not perfect shape, it looked like it was in perfect shape. Had a little hole in it, and water got into the VTS and seized the motor. So, solution to that was put a new boot on and put in a new VTS motor. So that's the project of the day. And then we'll go for a rip. So, got to pull the two vent pieces out here, pull the E-box out with 3 screws on the top, drop it down, and then the cover comes off and you can easily change that out. So let's get at it. All right, so let's get these little tabs out of here. Holy jeez, I hate plastic. Seems to do the job, but everything that breaks is plastic. I think they could invent something a little better. Anyway, this is old. Okay, so those come out, push down, that comes off. Same here, gone. 10 mil wrench right up top here. Really don't want that to fall down, so let me just, there we go. There we go. Drop the E-box out of the way. This will pull the bolts out. More. Drop the washer. Let's get this out of here. Just like that, you have access. I think there's one tab on the bottom left. One there. One over here. And there's the motor. And that's how you jimmy rig it. Took the motor off. Just put that back in there to lock it in. These are all 10 mil nuts. Actually, the whole job here is done with 10 mil, that's it. Put this on here, set the trim to the middle, and then you can still cruise around. All right. Into the trash it goes. Take the new ones. It's got little splines here. They got to go in there. It's just a little bit of a job to get them to line up. And that's it. Now let's see what's going on with these 10 mil bolts. That's a 10 mil for sure. And that's a 10 mil. I don't know. Oh yeah. Put it in reverse. Why not? Try that again. think this thing is just too big for here. Or see, that doesn't even go on there very good. How about I get a ratchet? It doesn't have to be that tight. They're all nylocks on there. Good. Good. And this guy here, seems like you just can't get on it. Who am I kidding? Nope. I think we're gonna have to call that good. It is good anyway. Okay. Hook up the power. On there. And there. Now, the other thing I always do is I drill a small hole in the box. Yeah, it's supposed to seal that thing, but whenever that leaks, at least it'll let the water out of the box. Because otherwise that box fills right up full of water. It was all sealed with a gasket. Trim motor is toast. That one's not. Now it is. And then everything goes back together the way it came out. That goes up there. Get one bolt started. This is probably the hardest part of the whole job here, is trying to find the bolt. Okay. Put this thing forward, which it is. Okay, let me hit the tether, get the tether, and then we'll see if we get something happening here. Wherever that might be. Here's one. I wonder if you can just, oh yeah. Nice. Set you up back here so you get to see. As if it's any big deal, but let's give it a try. And all the way up, and right there back to the middle. That's it, and that trim makes all the difference in the world, that trim motor. For anyone who's had a Seadoo, they know that all too well. So that's it, I'm just gonna put the two plastic vents back in, these high-end vents. And then I think we're good to put her back on the lift. And then do a little Seadooing. That's that one. And this one here. And that's it. Perfect.